Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay, so something is barking at me. It's very quiet. I've been here with the camera off probably for about an hour. The sun's going down. So as I've been kind of I've been going around and kind of sitting in different spots. This is the third spot and I just got here. And a theme I've noticed is that it sounds like something's barking in the distance, but it keeps coming from like maybe 50 yards out in different directions. Now, the last time I heard it came from in here. I wanted to put the camera on it real quick. Just kind of see what I could see. You hear it? I don't have the zoom mic on activated anymore. I have the 360 microphone. Trying something different. Whatever it is, it's moving. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. I really don't know how to explain it. It's like something's, it's a dog barking, right? But is it a dog? I don't know. But it sounds like it's in the distance, but it's close at the same time. It's weird. Again. So I'm gonna go wrap around a couple more times. Put the camera down. If anything interesting happens, I'll take it back out. So something big came through here clearly. And it's not a deer. Look at that. That is, it's a paw. Look at that. Look at that. These are in line, it looks like. And they come up here. Cut back this way and maybe goes up this way. I really don't know. Well, I heard that dog barking, or what sounded like a dog barking, right? And I just hauled ass over here. Well, I was riding all around, but I wanted to come this way this time to see if I could see anything. I don't know. Just don't know. Looks like it came out of here. Came out of here, right there, right there, right there. And that's it. It just went back in. Alright, I'm gonna go before it gets dark. I don't have any lights, so maybe we'll come back later with a flashlight.